Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support by watching my videos. My lunch break, I'm having this one. It's a yakisoba noodles. I cook it here. I don't have time to drop by to the shop. And also, I have Cheetos and Skyplex. Back up natin yan. Today, I'm happy to tell you that finally, I have my first YouTube earnings after a year. Last year, June 27, 2003, I've been partially monetized with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour. Because UK is in the list of the countries that can have the early access to YouTube partnership program. I apply and then monetize in 4 hours. I got the email. So I have only super chats, but I don't have ads on videos because I need to complete my 4K watch hours. And then my channel was fully monetized. I think it's July 3rd week or last week of July last year. So that's my YouTube journey. I have my first earning from YouTube. It was sent yesterday through my bank account. I'm gonna show you how much money I get. So I got this 79.58 pounds as my first earning in YouTube. The amount is in British pounds. It's 79.58. Yeah, I have the money here. This is 75 pounds and 75 pounds, and the cent is 79 because I have 79.58. And this one, the pennies. So I got the 79.58, $103. Advice ko lang sa inyo is continue vlogging and be happy in what you are doing and avoid CPR. Mostly of my income is from my YouTube shorts. I feel fun doing short videos. Try nyo po. I don't have time to go to the shop, so I just cook yakisoba, pancit canton. I have my Skyflex here and my Cheetos. So this is what I'm having for lunch today. It's 2 p.m. here in London. And first bite to all my loyal subscribers. Sarap. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all.